The march of progress never halts, and at the forefront of this relentless advance stands artificial intelligence. AI's rapid evolution promises to reshape the landscape of work as we know it, touching upon a myriad of occupational groups. Let's delve into how AI might redefine our professional lives. In the realm of data entry and processing, AI's ability to sift through vast datasets could render manual data entry a relic of the past. Manufacturing and production lines, once bustling with human activity, may soon echo with the whir of machines as automation systems and robots take the helm. Accountants and financial analysts might find AI software shouldering the burden of routine financial tasks, while customer service could see chatbots and virtual assistants becoming the new frontline for handling queries. The wheels of logistics and transportation are also set to turn with AI, as autonomous vehicles and drones aim to redefine delivery tasks. Office landscapes, too, will witness a transformation, with AI streamlining document management through smart classification and organization. In sales and marketing, AI's predictive prowess could fine-tune strategies by analyzing customer behaviors. Healthcare, a field where human touch is paramount, cautiously approaches AI for support in diagnosis and treatment planning. Meanwhile, security and surveillance could be bolstered by AI's vigilant eyes, employing video analysis and image recognition to enhance safety. Lastly, information technology and infrastructure management may increasingly rely on AI for network and system security, ensuring our digital foundations remain robust. While AI's encroachment on traditional roles cannot be understated, it's not merely a tale of replacement, but also of transformation. The integration of AI opens doors to new job areas, demanding specialized expertise and innovative minds. As we navigate this AI-augmented era, the key will be to adapt, evolve, and embrace the symbiosis of human and machine intelligence.